OnePlus 11R just launched before 2 days. It's a rebranded version of the OnePlus Ace 2. Fast refresh rate, OLED display, flagship processor, Sony IMX890 flagship camera sensor, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing of the OnePlus 11R, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. This is 16GB RAM, 512GB storage variant. In the box, you get the OnePlus 11R phone, 100-watt SuperVOOC charger with the Type A port along with the USB Type A to C cable. OnePlus also provides a protective case in the box along with the SIM ejector tool and some documentations. Let's unwrap the plastic and talk about the design and build. The OnePlus 11R smartphone has a similar look to the high-end OnePlus 11 model. This includes the same black hole inspired design with a time tunnel and the K-shaped light and shadow design. Additionally, the 11R also has the 3-stage mute switch that was missing in the previous generation. The washed black color has a special glass material made by the OnePlus called Silk Glass. It feels smooth and delicate but does not easily show the fingerprints. The camera part of the OnePlus 11R has a circular design with a line spreading out like a fast moving particles in the space or light spot moving through a time tunnel. The camera and the frame of the OnePlus 11R are connected by the curved piece of stainless steel. This design makes the phone look better and creates a flowing light effects when the phone is rotated. I noticed that the button on the OnePlus 11R has a special texture that make it easier to slide and has a more resistance. The corner have a shiny metal look and the wall button looks very nice. The thickness and the weight of the OnePlus 11R 8.7mm and 204 grams are similar to the OnePlus 11. Making the two phones feels very similar. OnePlus has improved the screen that received the criticism in the previous generation. The OnePlus 11R has a new 1.5K touchscreen that is the world's first consequence touchscreen. The screen has a high refresh rate of 120Hz and a high brightness of the 1450 nits and can also adjust the brightness with the high frequency PWM dimming. The screen on the OnePlus 11R is a 6.74 inch and has a resolution of 2772 by 1240 and can adjust its refresh rate to 40, 45, 60, 90 and 120 Hz. The screen can display over a billion colors, has a color range of 100% DCI-P3 and can show HDR10 and 10 plus content. It's worth mentioning that the screen on the OnePlus 11R uses a technology called Instinct Touch, which was developed by OnePlus. This technology improves the touch response time by optimizing the connection between the touch and display. It has a sampling rate of 720 Hz and the instant touch sampling rate of 1000 Hz. Additionally, the 11R has an infrared module on the top of the phone that allows you to control home appliances such as the air conditioner and TVs with the built-in infrared remote control app. This means that the OnePlus users won't need a separate remote control. The OnePlus 11R has a 3-camera included 50 megapixel main camera of IMX890, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The 890 has the same main camera found in the OnePlus 11 and the Oppo Find N2 and has a large 1 by 1.56 inch photosensitive area and the OIS optical image stabilization. The camera quality of the 11R is an flagship level and provides a natural realistic images. The 11R also has a good performance in the low light condition due to its optical image stabilization. The ultra wide angle camera also performs well in the good light condition, but resolution may be lower when zoomed in. You can see the sample photos. The OnePlus 11R has a high-performing combination of the technology, including the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The version brings tested has 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. In benchmark test, the 11R scored well with the 1.1 million points in Antutu and score of 1341 single core and performing 4156 for the multi-core performance in the Geekbench 5. Their high score indicated that the device is very powerful. The OnePlus 11R has a strong system for the preventing the device from the overheating. It uses a 8-channel design and a large area of 5177 square mm to help the dissipate heat. Also with a newly developed phase change graphene. OnePlus 11R has a great game performance during the 20 minute of Genshin Impact game test. The average frame rate was 59.9 frames per second and there was no frame drops. The frame stabilization index was only 0.9, which is considered very good. The game Genshin Impact consumes about 5.4 watt of power, which is normal for Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Overall, OnePlus 11R is a good companion for the game Genshin Impact. The temperature control of the OnePlus 11R is good. The highest temperature is reached in the winter indoor environment of 22 Celsius was 40 Celsius on the upper left side of the screen and 39.2 Celsius on the back. Overall temperature control is impressive. OnePlus 11R has a 5000 mAh battery that can be fully charged in less than 30 minutes thanks to the 100 watt super flash charging technology. It also has the world's first full link power management chip, the SuperVOOC, which helps to make the charging process more efficient. The base model of the phone has 256 gigs of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. It is priced CYN 2799, roughly 345 UK pound and 412 US dollars. The OnePlus 11R is a high quality phone that costs around 350 pound. It has the best touch experience in the industry, a top performing screen, great game optimization, reliable battery management and a design that is based on the flagship series. It set a new standard for the performance phone in this price range. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friend. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.